Hello students, Sai Ram. Children, we have started with a multiplication chapter, and in our last class we have learned about multiplication of two-digit numbers, right? So now we are going to continue with the same. So everyone take out your textbook and your notebook. We are going to continue with exercise 5.4 and then we are going to go through the new method, which is shortcut method. Okay, children, continue with question number 4. Okay, write the question in your notebook, multiply and write the product. A question is 27 multiplied by 15. So children, first we have to draw the columns and we have to write the numbers in the proper place. Write the place values properly, ones, tens, then hundreds. Then write the numbers and also leave one line for the carry over. Okay, so children, let us start multiplying. We are always going to start from right to left. Okay, start from ones place. First we are going to multiply number 5 with number 7. Okay, what is 5 sevens are? 5 sevens are is 35. So 3 will be carry over and 5 we will write here down. Okay, after that 5 we have to multiply with number 2, which is in the tens place. Correct? So 5 twos are 10 and there is a carry over, so we have to add. So 10 plus 3, which is 13. So I will write here 1 and 3, 13. Okay, children, if you don't carry over and write directly down, it is okay because there is no other number in the hundreds place. Got it? Then now we have to put here 1 0 because we are going to start multiplying the number which is in tens place. Okay, number 1. Okay, so number 1 we have to first multiply with number 7, which is in ones place. Okay, 1 sevens are 7. So write down your next number 7. Then 1 twos are. What is 1 twos are? 1 twos are is 2. It is very easy and very simple. Go slow, children. The last step is to add. Correct? Now we are going to add. Addition also start from ones place. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 7. Okay, now 3 plus 7 is 10. Correct? So 1 will be carry over and I will write 0 at tens place. After that, in hundreds place we have 1, the carry over, plus 1, which is 2, plus 2, which is 4. So I will write your number 4 in hundreds place. So children, my final answer for 27 multiplied by 15 is 405. In this manner we have to do a multiplication. Okay, note down, children, the answer. Children, now note down B1, 68 multiplied by 42. Okay, draw the columns properly and write the numbers in the proper place. So children, let us multiply. Now we are going to start from ones place. Okay, now 2 eights are. What is 2 eights are? Is 16. So 1 will be carry over and 6 we will write down. After that 2 we have to multiply with number 6. 2 6 is 12. 12 plus, is there a carry over? Yes, 1. Okay, so 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 13. So I will write 1 and number 3, 13 directly. Okay, now number 2 we have multiplied with 68. Now we are going to multiply number 4. Correct? Because 4 is in tens place, we have to write here 1 0 first before multiplying. Now number 4 we are going to multiply first with number 8. 4 eights are. What is 4 eights are? 32. Now children, there is a carry over. Correct? Because 2 digit we got 32. There is already a carry over here written here in tens place. We are going to cut that. Okay, we are going to cut the carryover because it was the carryover for the first number, correct, for number 2. So now we are going to multiply and put the carry over. 4 8s is 32. So 3 will be carry over in tens place and number 2 we will write down. Got it? Then with 8 we have done multiplication. Now with number 6. 4 6 is 24. Correct? 24. Is there any carry over for second digit? Yes, it is there. Number 3. So we have to add number 3. 24 plus 3. 25, 26, 27. So we'll write here number 27 down directly. Okay. No need of again putting the carryover because there is no number in hundreds place to multiply. You can write here 27 directly. Okay. So the last step is to add. So we are going to add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 1 plus 7 is 8. And then number 2. Okay. So our answer for 68 multiplied by 42 is 2856. Children, note down. After that we have even. Okay. 86 multiplied by 53. Children, note down it properly. Draw the columns. Write the numbers properly. Let us multiply. First we will multiply 3 with number 6. Okay. So 3 6 is 18. So 1 carry over, 8 we will write here down. After that, after number 3 we have to multiply with number 8. Correct? 3 8s are. What is 3 8s are? 24. 24 plus 1 is there carry over? Yes. 24 plus 1 is 25. So we'll write here number 25. Children, after that we will multiply with number 5 which is in tens place. So we will put here 1 0 before multiplying. Now let us multiply. 5 we have to first multiply with number 6. Okay. First I am going to cancel the carryovers, the first digit ka. Now multiply. 5 6 are. 5 6 is 30. Correct? So there is a carryover. 3 we will write here in the tens place and 0 we will write here down. 5 6 are 30. Now the next number 5 8s are. 5 8s is 40. Is there any carryover for second digit? Yes, number 3. So we have to add number 3. 40 plus 3 is 43. So I'll write here number 43. Okay. Now we'll put here plus sign. We are going to add both the products. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5 and then 4. Okay. 4 plus nothing is there, so it is 4 only. So my answer for 86 multiplied by 53 is 4558. Got it, children? Note down. Note it down in your notebook properly. Solve it slowly. Children, the next one is F1. Okay, 39 multiplied by 26. So first draw the columns properly and write the numbers in the proper place. Now let us multiply. First we are going to start from the ones place, that is with number 6. Okay, 6 we are going to multiply with number 9. What is 6 9s are? 6 9s are is 54. Correct? So 5 will be carry over here and 4 we will write here down. After that we have to multiply number 6 with number 3. 6 3s are is 18. 18 plus 5, children, count everyone, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we will write here number 23 down. Okay. So with number 6 we have multiplied. Correct. Now we have to multiply with number 2. Correct. Now number 2 is in tens place. So first we are going to here put here 0. Before multiplying the next number in tens place, we have to put here 0. Okay. Now we will multiply. Now first 2 nines are. What is 2 nines are? Is 18. That means it is a 2 digit, there is a carryover. So first of all, just put a dash here, a line here, so that there is no confusion for the carryover, which carryover you have to add. Number 5 was the carryover for the first digit. Okay, now there will be carryover for the second digit. Correct. So 2 nines is 18. So now we have to carry over to the next number here 1 in the tens place. So 2 nines is 18. 1 carry over and 8 you have to write here down. Got it, children? After that 2 threes are. What is 2 threes are? 6. 6 plus is there any carry over? Yes, 1. Okay. So 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we will write here 7 down. Okay. So is there any other number in the hundreds place? No, there is no number. The final step is to add. Okay. So we will add here. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. Correct. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 1 will be carry over and 1 we will write here down. In hundreds place we have 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. So we will write here number 10. Okay. So our final answer is 1014. So 39 multiplied by 26 is 1014. Got it, children? Children, note down the answer properly. Children, after this we are going to understand a new method, which is shortcut method. Okay. Now shortcut method of multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us understand what it is all about. Now look at this example. 47 multiplied by 8. Okay. Now we are not going to multiply it directly. There is a new method. Okay. For this method, the first step is to expand the number 47. Okay. You can see here there is a 2-digit number, number 47. Okay. So the first step is to expand this number. Okay. We all know how to expand the number. Correct. 47 when we expand, it is 40 plus 7. Expanded form, how we do? As per the place value. Correct. 4 is in tens place, so it is 40. 7 is in ones place, so it is 7. Correct. 40 plus 7. Now the second step is to multiply this each number. Okay. The number 40 and number 7 with number 8. Okay. First is we have expanded the number. Second is the number that we have expanded, that we have to multiply with the number or the multiplier, okay, which is number 8. Now multiply 40 and 7 separately by 8. Correct. So 40 multiplied by 8. Now we have learned how to multiply directly. Correct. Now 4 8s is 32. And how many zeros are here? 1 0. So we'll put here 1 0. So my answer is 320. 40 multiplied by 8 is 320. Okay. Then number 7. 7 8s is 56. Correct. So we have multiplied the number separately with number 8. The last step is we have to add the product. Okay. The number 320 and 56 we have to add. So this is number step 3. Add the two products to get the answer. 320 plus 56 is 376. Correct. So if you want, you can just do here 320 plus 56. Okay. So we have here 6. 2 plus 5 is 7 and number 3. Correct. So my answer is 376. Okay. So this is my actual answer, my final answer. That is 40. So 47 into 8 is 376. Okay children. So children, let us continue with our exercise 5.4. Our last question is remaining. Question number 5. Multiply using the shortcut method. Okay. A1. 38 multiplied by 8. Now, 38 multiplied by 8. The first step is to expand the number 38. Correct. So, 38 is equal to 30 plus 8. This is step 1. Now step 2 is to multiply the numbers that we have expanded with the multiplier. Correct. So 30 we have to multiply with number 8. 30 into 8 is equal to, what is 30 into 8? 3 8s is 24 and 1 0 we have. So I will put right here 1 0. So 30 into 8 is 240. Okay. Now after 30 in expanded form we have plus 8. Correct. So 8 I will write multiplied by number 8. Okay. 8 8s is 64. So we have got here number 64. The last step is we have to add the products that we have got. So 240 plus 64 is equal to, let us add 240 plus 64. Okay, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 carry over 0 down, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Children, so we have got 304. Okay, so you can write the final answer. 38 multiplied by 8 is equal to 304. Okay children, you can write down it properly in your notebook. Next one is B1, 71 multiplied by 9. Okay, so let us start children. First we will expand the number 71. 71 is equal to 70 plus 1. Okay. Step 2 is to multiply the numbers that we have expanded with the multiplier number 9. So 70 multiplied by 9 is equal to, okay. Now 7 9s are, what is 7 9s are? 63. So I'll write here 63 and there is only 1 0. So we'll put here 1 0. So 70 into 9 is equal to 630. After that we have 1. Correct. 70 we have multiplied. Now number 1. 1 into number 9 is equal to 9. Okay. So children, 70 and 1 both we have to multiply with number 9. Got it? Now we have to add the products that we have got. So 630 plus 9 is equal to, 630 plus 9 is 639. So this is our final answer. We can write here, so 71 into 9 is equal to 639. Okay children, note down it properly. Children, next one is even, 66 multiplied by 6. Okay, this one I have already done for you. You can just go through it. First we are going to expand the number 66. Okay, 66 is equal to 60 plus 6. This is step 1. Next step we have to multiply, okay, 60 and 6 with the multiplier, which is number 6. Okay, 6 into 6 is equal to 360 and 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Correct. So as we have got the product, we have to add them. 360 plus 36, which is equal to 396. So our answer for 66 into 6 is equal to 396. Children, it is very easy, correct? Next one is F question. 99 multiplied by 9. Children, in the same manner we have to do it. First we have to expand the number 99. Okay, expand it. 99 is equal to 90 plus 9. After expanding, we have to multiply the numbers with the multiplier, which is number 9. Okay, 90 you will multiply with number 9. This number 9 also you will multiply with number 9. Okay, see here, 90 into 9 is equal to 810. Correct? And 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Now as we have got the product, the next step is we have to add 810 plus 81. When we add 810 plus 81, we will get 891, which is our final answer. So you can write down here 99 into 9 is equal to 891 in this way. Okay. Children, now it's time for homework. Okay. So for homework we have 4 questions. From question number 4, multiply and write the product. Okay. We have to multiply them. Note down, children, the homework sums. And from question number 5 we have 4 sums. Multiply using the shortcut method. Okay. The shortcut method that we have learned. Like that only we have to do all the sums for question number 5. Children, do your homework on regular basis. Okay. Whenever it is given, just do it. Thank you, children.